How's that graham cracker?
Good.
Oh, I'm so glad. Are you taking big bites? Oh, look at those good big bites.
Looks so delicious.
So good. It's delicious, huh?
Graham crackers are tasty.
Is it yummy yummy in your tummy?
I want an apple. An apple? Here you go.
Awesome. I think we're gonna have to stock Costco cutlery just because that fork is perfect for him. Alec, what are you having for snack? Apple. Yummy. Good job. What else are we having for snack? Yeah, what's next?
Graham cracker. Yummy.